In this quick exercise tutorial, I'm going to be showing you how to stretch your fibularis muscle groups in a seated position. It can be a little bit technical, this stretch, so we're going to go through it really simply, one step at a time. So what I want you to do is choose which leg that you're going to be stretching first. So I'm going to be stretching my left leg in this demonstration on my left fibularis group. I'm going to bring the ankle, my left ankle, over my right knee. And in this position, I'm going to bring one hand, which is my right hand, underneath the foot. My left hand is going to come directly on top of the ankle. My left hand is going to apply pressure down, so the hand that's on the ankle is coming down in pressure. My right hand is going to be rotating the foot, so rotating it away like so. What I'm going to do now is I'm going to come into that stretch. And now, once I'm in this stretch, I'm now going to start pointing the foot away. So the first thing I did was the rotation, and the second thing I did was starting to point, starting to pull it away. From here, once I'm in this position, I'm going to keep that stretch for my desired amount of sets and repetitions before doing exactly the same on the opposite side. You might feel this more at the side of the ankle as opposed to fibularis group if it's not tight. For those that have things like shin splints, you might feel it a little bit higher up into the side here, that front lateral side of the calves. So that is how to stretch out your fibularis muscle groups in a seated position.